Hello YouTube, I'm Dean of Dean's Woodworking. We went for ice cream last night and never made it. We ran into a junk guy driving through the neighborhood. He had a gooseneck trailer full of big pecan, I won't call them logs because they're only about 24 inches thick, but they're about 30 inches across, 30 plus I should say. So we flagged him down and asked if we could have a couple, and he was nice enough to not only say yes, but to actually bring them by the house and push them off of the trailer into my front yard. The key word there is he pushed them off into my front yard. Folks, I live in an HOA neighborhood, and I'm sure the neighbors aren't really pleased with having 30-inch logs in the neighbor's yard, and I bet if the HOA comes by, they're printing a letter as we speak. So I got to get this thing cut up, and there's two of them. Get them out of here. I've marked them out and started the cut, and I'm going to go over here, grab the saw, and show you exactly what I'm doing with them, okay? So what I've done is divided these up. You can see I've already knocked a slab off of this side. I've got a 6-inch slab here, a 6-inch slab there. We took a 4-inch slice out of the pith. I should be able to split that later and get 4 platter blanks out of that. Another 6 inches over here and another 6-inch plus over there. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and put my hearing protection on and start up the chainsaw, okay? Folks, let's take a look at this. This is the pith, 4 inches thick, a little over 30 inches top to bottom, 24 inches wide. I should be able to get a nice platter out of this side and a nice platter out of that side. Hopefully this turns into some good turning. Of course, that's a bowl blank, 6 inches thick, folks. Again, I just got fortunate. I was able to flag down the junk guy. And I guess the lesson for me is to keep your eyes open. And if you don't ask, the answer is always the same. If you do ask, you get lucky and they bring it by. But I think this is about the hottest day of the year we've had so far. And I'm out here in the sun with a chainsaw. And I don't have to tell you, the old man's not as good a shape as he used to be. Hey guys, have a great day, stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.